Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix ads that keep coming back on your Redmi 17. First of all, let's disable some of the annoying ads like Google feed on the left side of our home screen, which you can do easily. Just hold your finger down on the home screen, then tap settings, then go to more settings, select -1 screen and select none. Okay, so now let's go to settings, swipe down to control center, then tap the gear icon, and here we're gonna have to go to the lock screen settings. Now in the lock screen we're gonna have to make sure that we disabled Wallpaper Carousel. Okay, do not agree to Wallpaper Carousel, just make sure to disable it. Okay, after that we should also go to Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock, enter our password, then scroll down to Authorization and Revocation, and here you will find some things like System Daemon, MSA, and also GetApps or App Getter or something like this at the very bottom. You have to disable all of these three options. I don't have them because I deleted them from the smartphone. You can also delete them. There is a guide on our channel titled How to Debloat Your Redmi, which you can check out yourself, and I highly recommend you doing so to speed up your device. Okay, and so once you disabled MSA, debloater, and that GetApps thing, go back to Fingerprints, select privacy here, scroll down to ad services, disable personalized ads here, then scroll down to privacy at the very bottom of the settings menu, scroll down to ads, select ads. Now here you'll see something like this, reset advertising ID, tap confirm, and then delete it. And after that, restart your device. Press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe down to reboot, and wait until your device is restarted. And this should resolve your issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.